Welcome back, guys. Well, this is a really nice, that's loud, a lovely morning in Toronto, and I'm on a mission today, guys. I need to get Solomon Gundy. So I'm heading down here. I'm in Chinatown now, and I'm going to go first into Dumpling House, because so you can't come down here and don't go and get some of them crispy lamb dumpling at the Dumpling House. So first I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna take a little turn into the Caribbean corner in Kensington Market, because I called it last night. Because here the thing, you really can't get Solomon Gundy everywhere nowadays, and nothing to me better than Solomon Gundy and tough crackers, right? So I'm on a hunt for that. But first, I had to make a pit stop in the Dumpling House, like I was telling you. And this here, right here, that you're looking at, is their fried lamb dumpling. And you have to have this, okay? It's a dozen of them, and we're about to get into this. So I'm advising that if you're in this area, definitely want to have this fried lamb dumpling from the Dumpling House. Trust me. Now I'm inside Rasta Pasta, and I've just ordered 3 Ackee dumpling and 3 oxtail dumpling. And these dumplings, they sell for $6, right? $6? $6 Canadian, and they're full of all kind of goodness. So you're lucky if you come and get any oxtail, but in the fridge there they have jerk chicken and oxtail and ackee and saltfish. Just stepped into a Jamaican bakery, and look at all the goodies. Look at the Easter bun up at the top there, and hardo bread. Hardo bread galore. Look at these big bread. This is what the mission is all about now, right? Because I called these people last night and they said that they have Solomon Gundy. And guys, I've been searching for Solomon Gundy for months, and called about 3 places last night and none of them had it. So now I'm going into Caribbean corner because I know that they have it. So hold me back so that I don't buy off them stock. That's the only thing. It's well packed up in here, so I'll can't film much more. Soon come back. I have to wait my turn. I'm trying to take a little footage, but I don't really like to take advantage of, filming people when they don't want to be filmed. Oh, look at those avocado, man. Wait. Star apple. Stop it. Please don't squeeze, and I'm squeezing it, so I guess I bought that one. Sorry. Here it is, guys. Solomon Gundy, and them have it's like a final nest. So so I have to pick up a few well. They got it. This is the spot, guys. And so you have to get the tough crackers to go with it. They have all the cinnamon one here too. It's me, guys. It's such a beautiful afternoon here now, and if you can see in the background, way down at the middle there, it's hard to do, but there's CN Tower, and I'm just gonna share the view with you. Hold on. Really a nice day. The clouds are coming out now, but you can see that we had some blue sky, and I mean, all I have on is a blouse, no sweater, nothing, and it's so nice and warm. What I wanted to share with you though is my haul. Okay, I've come back home now, and this is the most fun part, when you get to pull out the things out of the bag. This is a big Easter bun, HTB Easter bun, and I'm going to spend time with my family. I'm going on a little trip soon, and we'll all be together, and I know that we'll be enjoying that Easter bun. And of course, the mission was all about the tough crackers because they used to be able to get them where I live, and nowadays you don't find them very often. So tough crackers, which of course will go well with my Solomon Gundy, man. I find my Solomon Gundy. So again, it's Caribbean corner down at Kensington Market if anybody's looking for it. And you know, say you can't leave out these. Some banana chips had to come, and I went and got some of these dumplings at Rasta Pasta. I got some that are filled with oxtail, and some that are filled, look at the dumpling, man, in. And this one I had opened up before because I thought this was the oxtail one, but it's actually Ackee and saltfish in this one. Wait, hold on. This is the Ackee and saltfish. Look at that, guys. Filled with juicy, nice, tasty Ackee and saltfish. And then this one, I'll open it for you. Just look how they just break open, and look at the lovely oxtail inside there, guys. And as I say, these sell for $6, and they keep them in a warmer. They make them fresh, and very often I go there and they don't have oxtail because it's their most popular one. But today I was able to get the oxtail, and about that I hit the I ended the video by mistake. I was trying to tell you guys bye. So I really had a good time. It was a quick mission. This is not a long video. It's just a quick mission to find Solomon Gundy, and I got it. So I'm a happy girl, okay? And I'll be in Toronto tonight and then heading back my side of the world tomorrow. And I've just had a great day driving all around Toronto with my friend, and she showed me all kinds of beautiful homes, and we just went on a tour. We went to a place called Summerhill Market and checked out all their prepared foods and just beautiful flowers and everything. It was just a really chill day. We just went for a couple hours, and now we're back because she takes care of her mom, and so we've come back to spend the afternoon and the evening with her mom now. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's just a little few minutes of footage, but it's a taste, right? It's a taste of Jamaica right here in the heart of Toronto. So one love, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Give them a little tip where they can find Solomon Gundy if they want it. And be sure to comment. I love to hear your comments, right? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.